Hi guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So I'm going to talk about some another topic on my YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to tell you if you want to digital marketing industry, so that video will be very beneficial for you. To be honest, so before that, I would like to tell you you can see some little bit of changes behind me because I am in my hometown recently. I just come 2 days ago, and yesterday I was work from home. So this is a happy thing for us because our company provided work from us for every employee on Friday. So that's why I came on Thursday. I was work from home on Friday. If I talk about the today question in this video, if you are a digital marketer, you want to come digital marketing industry. Honestly, this video very beneficial for you. To be honest, if I talk about the today question is that SEO versus PPC. So we are going to talk about step by step around 7 points in this video. I have writing everything on my notebook. So please stay tuned and let's start. If I talk about the first point in this video, what is digital marketing? The digital marketing is a kind of communication channel. How you can communicate with your audience. Yeah, how you can target your audience by the help of internet. So we have the 10 types of digital marketing, and SEO and PPC also part for the digital marketing industry. So if you are confusing SEO versus PPC, so I am clearing your all doubt. That digital marketing is a SEO and PPC also part of the digital marketing industry. So if I talk about the second point in this video, what is SEO? SEO is a search engine optimization. It is a process how you can rank your website on the SERP page with your by your organic effort. So we have the three types of SEO. The first one is on page SEO, second one is off page SEO, and third one is technical SEO. If you want to know more everything about the SEO industry, so you can watch my complete SEO video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, and you can know everything about the SEO industry. If I talk about the what is Google Ads, the Google Ads and PPC also same thing. If you are confusing, because sometimes I am saying PPC and sometimes I am saying Google Ads, so don't be afraid about the Google Ads and PPC. Both things both of them is same. So if I talk about the Google Ads is a kind of process how many money you are willing to pay for Google one click. This is one of the best metric behind the Google Ads. So if you want to rank your website on the SERP page, so you have the only one way. You have to run your Google ad campaign, and you have to optimize. You have to bidding some of one on your keyword, and after that you are able you will be ranked on the SERP page definitely. But we have the another things in the Google Ads. I cannot tell you everything in this video, but I have uploaded completely a Google Ads video. If you want to know more about what is quality score, what is bidding methods, and what is everything, so you can watch my that video. Yeah, and you can start your digital marketing journey in this year like a rocket. So if you want to, if I talk about the fourth point in this video, which one is best? Honestly, this is one of the greatest point. This is one of the greatest point in this video. So if you are a fresher, you have been start your digital marketing in digital marketing journey. journey. Yeah, you want to come in digital marketing industry. So honestly, I'm giving the proper for way to everyone. So if you are a fresher, so you cannot able to get the job in Google Ads. Sometimes if you have the better, sometime if you have better luck, so you can get the job in Google Ads. But most of the company will be company not provide Google ads job for a fresher. So that's why if you are a fresher and you want to start digital marketing journey in this year, so honestly I am giving the I'm giving the proper guidance for you. You can start your journey by the help with by the help of SEO. And after that, when you have 1 year 2 year experience in digital marketing industry, so you can learn very easily for Google Ads. Because honestly, I'm honestly saying that the company not does not provide Google Ads job easily for fresher. So that's why you have to start your journey by the help of SEO. And if I talk about so if you asking me which one is best for fresher, so I'm always saying that you have to start your journey by the help of SEO, and after that you can switch your career into Google Ads. So if I talk about the salary difference both of them. So as actually the Google Ads have the better salary, Google Ads has the better salary compare for the SEO. But it honestly I would like to tell you one thing, it completely depends on you. If you are a hard worker, you are able to learn everything very quickly, so you can start your journey by I recently told you you can start your journey by the in SEO industry. And after, if you are hard worker, so you can easily learn for SEO, oh sorry, PPC. We have the lots of stuff on YouTube, so why we are wasting our money to give in institute. So we have to learn everything, theoretical understanding by the help of YouTube, and we can implement everything in our company. You have to talk your manager, you have to talk your team leader, I want to learn for PPC. So yes, PPC. So because I'm saying I'm giving the guidance for you. You cannot able to start your start journey as a Google ads. You have to start your journey as a SEO executive, या junior SEO executive, या in as a intern. The sometime company only provide for us as an internship. So this is a bad scenario. This is a scenario for the digital marketing industry. So if you want to know more, sorry, if you asking me which one is have the better salary, so I am always giving the Google Ads have the better salary opportunity, but you have to get the mastery from them. If I talk about the 7 point in this video, at that point, how to get job in SEO and PPC. So I have recently told you, first of all, if you have, so honestly we have the three types of audience. First one is fresher, second one is which one is pursuing digital marketing course, yes, third one which one is have around 1 year 2 year experience. So I will tell you step by step. If you are a fresher, so you can so you have to you have to make your resume, proper resume, your career object, your your education background, your parental status, your tech skills, which one you have to mention everything on your resume. And you have to upload every job portal like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and Sign.com. And after that, whenever you will get the some call by the help of in those those job platform, you have to go, you have to give all interview, you have to attend all interview. And after all interview, and honestly after 5 to 6 interview, you will be able to get your first job very easily. And your confidence will be gone beyond the sky. So beyond the sky, that's why I'm suggesting you, if you want to get the job any industry, we don't have any another option. We have to give the our interview, we have to give interview regular basis, we have to improve our skills. We have to improve our knowledge, because we don't know the which thing the interviewer ask for us. That's why we always make ourselves dynamic, not static. So that's all in this video. If you want to know more, if you want to make the video on your specific topic, so please put that topic in the comment box. Yeah, if you want to please like and subscribe and share this video. Bye bye, take care.